For transfer students who are making decisions on which university to attend, every second counts. Universities using digital process automation are able to provide transfer credit evaluations in days, not weeks. Jane wants to attend an online program to complete her bachelor's degree. She has applied to 2 universities across the country with new online nursing programs. She requests her transcripts to be sent electronically to each institution. The transcripts arrive at Western Coastal University, but it takes a few days to process them in the admissions office, and the staff must manually review all transcripts, find the correlating course numbers and course descriptions, and then email each of the courses to the appropriate faculty in the various academic departments for equivalency determination. It's summertime, and many faculty are not teaching and not in touch with day-to-day operations. The transfer evaluation specialist has to send several emails reminding the faculty to evaluate the courses, and often the process takes 4 to 6 weeks. In the meantime, Summerlin University, which uses ProcessMaker's automated transfer credit process, has already received the transcripts. They are imported directly into a system that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to extract the coursework, match the courses, and route the unequated courses to the appropriate faculty. They open the email on their phone and select the equivalent course. If faculty do not respond in a timely manner, reminders are sent to nudge them along. Within the week, all courses are equated. The system sends Jane a transfer credit report, letting her know which courses will transfer. The Summerlin admissions counselor follows up within the hour to review the report and helps Jane take the next step for enrollment at Summerlin University. Help your transfer students have a similar student experience. Visit ProcessMaker.com to learn more about automating the transfer credit process at your school.